How are you guys? Today we've got a 2012 GSR750. This one's been dropped on its side. We can see a bit of damage to the motor here. We've got the lever is broken off as well. A few little marks on the Yoshi pipe, nice carbon Yoshi pipe. Other than that, it's just cosmetic damage. Taking it for a ride around the block and everything seems to ride really well. Everything's straight and true. The steering feels nice as well. So we'll have a quick look down here. As I said, it all looks to be fairly cosmetic. This one has 18,000 Ks on it for a 2012. And we'll just start her up. Starts up and runs very nice. Some aftermarket mirrors. Everything else looks to be quite good condition. Beautiful Yoshi pipe. Marks down on the motor there, as you can see. Factory front pipe with the valve, broken keg, broken up here. Yoshi pipe does sound really nice. Beautiful bike. Cool. This will be in for dismantle this week and all parts up in the following week on bikesparesaustralia.com.